In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Google AI Studio. Build an app with AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the workspace, start from a clean slate, craft a strong prompt, and refine your project so it behaves the way you expect. First, open your browser and head to Google AI Studio. This is Google's environment for building and testing AI-powered apps with a friendly, no-fuss interface. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your work is saved to your account. Once the page loads, you'll land on the Apps area where your projects live. Think of this as your central dashboard for everything you build. Next, click Build and choose Start to open a fresh project workspace. This creates a new canvas where you'll assemble your idea. You'll see a chat-style interface that lets you try things quickly and iterate in place. Starting here keeps everything organized so you can tweak settings, test responses, and come back later without losing your progress. Now, type the prompt you want. Be clear about what the AI should do, who it should sound like, and any constraints you care about. For example, you might say, "You are an assistant that summarizes customer feedback in 3 bullet points, each under 20 words, and includes one actionable recommendation." Specifics like role, format, and tone make a huge difference in the output quality. If you already have a sample input, paste it in so you can see how the model behaves with real material. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. This is where you explore and shape your idea. After you submit your prompt, wait a moment while the workspace loads the response, and then start making edits to your project. Refine the prompt to tighten instructions or add guardrails. Rename your project so it's easy to find later, and add a short description to capture the goal. If the output is too creative or too dry, adjust generation settings like creativity or length to match your needs. Add example prompts and expected outputs to make the behavior more consistent across different inputs. Test variations of your request to check reliability, and keep small notes about what works best. When the results look right, your changes save to the project, so you can return from the apps view anytime to continue building, share demos, or integrate it into a larger workflow. That's it. You've created your project and set the foundation for an AI-powered app ready to iterate and grow.